Hello everybody, and today we're going to unbox a lens that's getting, I guess, a hair long in the tooth at this point. This is the Canon, obviously, EF-S 24mm f2.8 STM lens. This is new to me. I'm looking very much forward to using this. So let's see what all is inside the box. We've got the warranty and serial number card here for North America. We've got, looks like a little manual about how to use the lens. Nifty box. Looking like the lens itself. We'll get to that in a sec. Plastic thing. Riser. That is it. Being a budget lens, the packaging is not all that exciting. Bubble wrap and some plastic to protect it. I want to say this cost me $149 yesterday. I want to say this cost me $149 yesterday. That sounds correct anyway. And here it is. So this is an EF-S lens, not an EF lens. That means that it will work on Canon APS-C DSLRs, but not full frame, or at least it shouldn't. I don't believe there are any Canon EOS full frame DSLRs that will mount an EF-S lens, but I could be wrong. So I've got it in manual focus, and I'm focusing, and not really a whole lot is happening. I guess we'll find out when I actually get a chance to use this, what that's like. But this is a very nice Pancake lens, very small, really compact, and on APS-C, the 24mm focal length is around about what we would think of as 35 for full-frame cameras, so it should be a very nice walk-around shooting lens to keep an APS-C DSLR kit compact and lightweight. Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you in whatever the next video is going to be.